Good morning, everybody. This is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading. Well, I have some news for you. My neighbor, Mary Purkey, P-U-R-K-E-Y, has been driving back and forth on the road where my workers are working 4 times so far. She stopped them and actually threatened my workers to stop working on my property or they would be part of her lawsuit. Yes, folks, Mary Purkey, whose husband tore down my gate on my property last year. Sheriff's Department did nothing. The judge did nothing but let these criminals off. She stopped her vehicle. I have a video that will be posted online. And questioned my workers, told them, well, her family plot is all the way back there, like 10 minutes down the road, but she didn't say that. And she threatened them if they continued to work on my property, to continue to clean it up, that they would be part of her lawsuit, period. I have subsequently contacted the Sheriff's Department, and I left a voice message for our county lawyer, Ross Murray, to file a complaint against Mary Purkey for harassment, stalking, intimidation, menace, and threatening my workers. This is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading, and I'm going to sign off right now, and I will be uploading that video